Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Did you know you're just one click away from an easy, clean bathroom? I'm in love with this cordless electric spin scrubber. It really handles the curves in the tub amazingly well, and it does take the grout and works it really good, and I don't have to worry about using my strength. It's very long. The arm stretches for very tall bathrooms and walls, and it's really good on floors. I used it on a commercial floor and it was amazing. It cleaned the edges perfectly. With one click, I appreciate all the tools I have to work with for my bathroom or for any cleaning aspect that I need. It is a wonderful gift, and I think everyone should have one. So get yourself a cordless scrubber. You will love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.